Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're gonna go over how to create a follow-up for people that do not show up to your appointment, or people that cancel your appointment, or all of the above, people that pretty much have no interest in your appointment. So the first thing we need to make sure is we have a calendar, where a place where people can actually book an appointment. So you can either have a team calendar or you can have just a regular separate calendar by itself. And that's all we need. And the next step would be is to go on through the workflow. And we're going to create, so we already have one for the appointment confirmation and reminder. And we also have one, we already have one pre-made, pre-made templates right here that you can choose from. So we have the appointment confirmation already there, send review request already there, but we do not have the no-show template. So we're going to start from scratch. It's really easy to do, by the way. We're just gonna, oops, what happened? Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna name it no appointment, no show. Suppose that. Or we can specify the appointment type later. And then we're gonna choose the CRM. We're gonna choose appointment filter. Here's the first one, so it's the easiest thing. So appointment status is showed or no show. We're gonna do a no show for this one. And we can add a text message to go out to them that will tell them, hey, John or John, we missed you today. We had an appointment to go over some financial advice and options. We couldn't reach you at all. Is there any other time you prefer? Question mark. So something like that could go out to people that do not show up to the appointment. So what do we do? Do we just stop there? I mean, we can go on. So create another one. And this one would have a wait time for like, let's do 24 hours. Send another message. Hey, John. About yesterday. There any way, or you could say, if you want to schedule another call, we'll do this next week. You know, just ask them questions like that so they can give you an answer. Okay. You can also create an email here, just like that. Of course, you can send a voicemail. You can drop a call, automatically drop a call, or you know, when somebody does not show up, you can assign them to a person that will handle these people that do not show up, which means calling them, making sure that they reschedule back on your calendar. So once you get in here, you'll see how much you can do on Kenji. So go ahead and get the trial and play around with the workflow and see what you can automate. Until next time, you'll see me on the next video. Peace. I don't know why I did that, honestly.